Hello guys and welcome back to my channel with another unboxing. This one is from Fineworks 64. It's a Dodge Charger. So let's open this one up. I always try not to rip off these. I really like keeping them intact. So I'll try to open it in that same order. See, I can do that. So this is the amazing casting, and see, there are no wheels on this. Is it this crazy? There are no wheels on this because we have them here. Look at that Charger SRT. So let's remove this. Let's open this up. I'll put it on the side. I don't want to break anything. This is a set of wheels. Here we have. I'm not sure if they are going to fit or how they are going to fix. So let's remove this from the base first. Just a moment. Okay, I'll do it off camera and then I'll show you guys. So this is separated from the base. Here we have this amazing casting of Dodge. We have some base details here. There are side details as well. It says police. Really good. I really like these exhausts. I'm taking these exhausts. It says Dodge SRT. Look at that aggressive front. And on the top we have this police light. So let's see how to put these wheels on it. I hope I don't break anything. Oh, that's how they. You just put them and push inside, and that's all. See? See? It just goes in, and it rolls perfect. Wow, it rolls perfectly. So this is basically a freebase. This is the freebase, and this is the caliper we are having here. Even though it's just a paint, all right, it's caliper. It rolls. It rolls. See, if you can see it rolling, it rolls. And just take the wheel, put it here. Stop. Just take the wheel, put it here. Snap. It goes in. It rolls perfect. It rolls really, really. Look at that. This is the exact look. Oh my god, this looks so cool. So cool, so cool, so cool. And all of these wheels rolled really perfectly. They are, trust me, they're better than Hot Wheels. They roll better than Hot Wheels. yeah, it rolls really good. I think I didn't set them up correctly. Other than that, they roll good. See? This one I didn't set up correctly. I'll correct this one later, not a problem. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this charger SRT, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.